There was a clip I think yesterday or today, of Matt Barber and Daniel Schmid, they're two right-wing religious zealots, talking about Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who recently officiated a same-sex wedding. And they had the following to say about it.
Radical liberal Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg brings shame to America and further shame upon the United States Supreme Court by officiating a so-called same-sex marriage.
Doesn't this just prove that we're no longer slouching towards Gomorrah? We are galloping full speed ahead towards it. And isn't that a shame?
How do these religious zealots not understand that if Ruth Bader Ginsburg had chosen not to officiate a same-sex wedding based on, I don't know, Christian religious Bible teachings, that would be a Christian version of the Sharia law that people like Matt Barber and Daniel Schmid are opposed to? How can this not be clear to them? Ruth Bader Ginsburg was actually doing the constitutional thing by officiating this wedding, and choosing not to because of religious beliefs in direct conflict with the law of the land would actually be the red flag. Not this. I don't think we could say anything to these guys to make them understand that.
No, there is no understanding that, because the Constitution doesn't matter. All that matters is the Bible. Of course, I'm sure in some situations they'll talk about the Constitution when it's convenient.
Of course, yeah. Separation of church and state, yeah, well, not really, but kind of, if it's Muslim stuff. But if it's about abortion or gay marriage, then it's actually okay to make law and to legislate based on the Bible. Absolutely pathetic, these two, and they do not get it, ladies and gentlemen. There's nothing any of us could say to them to get them to understand. On that note, we will take a brief pause, and next, pink slime is back in schools. It's very, very scary.